All vehicles are fitted with headlights to help the driver see at night and in low visibility situations. Headlights are a must-have safety feature that is essential to keeping the roads safe for everyone. Today, we will specifically focus on the low beam headlights and how to use them at night in other low visibility situations. So, what are low beam headlights? Low beam headlights are your dimmed headlights. They provide far less light than high beam headlights, but there is no risk of blinding other road users when using low beams. High beams let you see about 350 feet and are suitable if you're driving faster than 25 miles per hour. Low beams, on the other hand, let you see about 200 feet and are suitable for speeds up to 25 miles per hour. Using the wrong type of headlight setting can, depending on your speed and visibility, be devastating and result in an accident. If you're driving faster in low visibility settings, high beams are recommended. However, whenever using high beams, you need to dip your lights whenever there are other drivers nearby. To activate your low beams, look for the low beam icon. It looks like a letter D with slanting lines to the left. Now point your switch to the low beam symbol to activate them. If you've done it correctly, this dashboard light should be visible on your car's dashboard. Okay, so when should low beam headlights be used then? First of all, remember that headlights are not only meant for you to see better, they also help other drivers see you. In general, you must use low beam headlights between sunset and sunrise. In any situation where you have difficulties seeing pedestrians or other vehicles, if your view is severely limited. Keep in mind that most states have their own guidelines regarding when headlights must be used that may be more restrictive than the ones mentioned above. Should you only use low beams when driving in the dark? In many countries, low beam headlights must be on anytime the vehicle is in motion, regardless of the time of day. Even when the headlights won't help you see better, they may help others see you. So low beams are definitely not only meant for driving at night. It's up to you and what you prefer. Keep in mind that it's much harder to spot pedestrians and bicyclists at night, especially those wearing dark clothes. This is true even if you're using headlights. So, always slow down when driving at night in order to give yourself more time to identify and react to potential hazards. You can ask yourself if you can safely stop within the distance of your lights. If not, reduce your speed. If you can see just 100 feet ahead, you cannot safely drive faster than 30 miles per hour. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you want to study more, press the link in the description.